Many people in Chicago and the suburbs have taken to the streets to protest the death of George Floyd and other black men and women and the issue of racism in America. President Trump has authorized ICE and U.S. Customs and Border Protection officers to become involved in the policing of the protests in some of the cities. In this video, we're going to explain the risks of protesting for a non-citizen and what to do if you're arrested. Now, regardless of your immigration or citizenship status, in the United States, you have constitutional rights. You have the right to free speech, to have a lawyer present in your criminal proceedings, and to right to be protected from unlawful searches and other guarantees of the Constitution. And although you have a right to protest, there is a risk when non-citizens are attending a protest. If you are an undocumented individual and do not have any legal right to be in the United States, then you could be picked up and placed in removal proceedings. And even if you have a green card, your right to remain in the U.S. is conditioned in various things. One of them is that you can have no criminal conviction that makes you deportable from the United States. So if you're arrested, charged, and convicted of a crime arising out of your presence in or participation in one of these protests, it could lead to an immigration consequence. So if arrested, ask to speak to a lawyer right away and remain silent. You don't have to explain your immigration status or your citizenship status to the police, immigration agents, or any other officials. Anything you tell them can later be used against you in court, whether criminal or immigration. And I would also advise that you carry a business card of an attorney with you when you go out to the protest. You are allowed to make a phone call to your attorney. Now, if you're charged criminally, don't take the first offer that the government makes without first speaking to an attorney that's knowledgeable in both immigration law and also criminal defense. So if you're a non-citizen who's arrested while protesting, contact our office for a consultation. We will discuss both the aspects of immigration and criminal law.